Welcome to the Honemix channel. This video teaches you how to adjust and set up a fully automatic 6-head gear pump filling line, set machine height and guide rails for the bottle. Next, set the bottle stops. The front stop holds the first bottle, while the rear stop holds the sixth. On the HMI, extend the front stop. Push the bottles against the front stop. Then extend the rear stop from the HMI. Once aligned, tighten the screws to lock both stops securely. Now adjust the bottle sensor. Loosen the screw and set its height. Loosen the screw to move the sensor left or right. For front to back adjustment, loosen the mounting screws and position the sensor toward the bottle path. Stop when the sensor detects the bottle reliably. Next, set the inner guide plate width. Loosen the screws on both sides, center the bottle path, and leave enough clearance for smooth movement without excessive side play. Position the guide plates near the bottleneck. Then tighten the screws to secure the setting. After confirming the bottle height, enter 245 as the lower position value on the HMI. Next, loosen the screws on the bottle clamps. Adjust each clamp individually until it sits correctly around the bottleneck. 6 clamps set. The filling cycle will not run unless every bottle is clamped correctly. Tap the bottle clamp button. Lower the filling assembly to its working position. Once it is down, the nozzle alignment controls can be used for setup. Now check left-right nozzle alignment. Loosen the 2 mounting screws. Then move the filling nozzle assembly left or right as needed. Center each nozzle. There are 2 ways to adjust the nozzles from front to back. Method 1. Loosen the 3 screws and slide the nozzle assembly forward or backward until centered. Method 2. Fine-tune the guide rails too. Shift the bottle position beneath the nozzles. Next, adjust the bottle clamps from front to back. Loosen the screws on both sides. Move the clamp assembly until each bottle is centered. And verify that the bottles remain stable. After the position is confirmed, tighten all screws securely. The filling nozzles and bottle clamps are now aligned. Run a test cycle and watch the bottle entry, clamping, filling, and release sequence. Front stop opens early. Increase the front stop delay from 1.00 to 1.50. Run another test with the front stop delay set to 1.50 seconds. Timing correct, underfilled. To correct this, adjust the filling volume setting according to the required fill level and the bottle size. Set all 6 heads to 600, then test. Run the line with the filling volume setting at 600 and check the result. The fill level is still too low. Increase the filling volume, setting from 600 to 1000. Then run another test cycle. Test the machine again with the volume setting at 1000. And observe all 6 bottles. The filling result is now correct and consistent. Initial filling speed controls filling as the nozzles begin rising. Initial volume controls bottom filling. Midfill controls speed and volume. Final filling speed applies near the bottleneck. The cleaning volume setting controls discharge during emptying. Higher values discharge more, lower values less. For cleaning speed, higher values run faster, lower values run slower. Lift up speed controls nozzle rise after filling. Lift down speed controls nozzle descent before filling. Set the filling work position just above the bottle bottom 2. Reduce splashing and improve filling control. Turn the separation hand wheel to match bottle width. Next, set the capping section bottle height and confirm the correct working position. After setting the cap height, enter 213 as the position value on the HMI. Set the clamping conveyor width with the hand wheel. Run a test. Capping delay is too long. Open capping parameters on the and reduce the capping delay from 0.02 to 0.01 seconds. Test again at a 0.01 second delay. Still not correct. Lower the capper. Use the HMI control to move the capping assembly lower. Enter 26 as the new cap height position value. Test. Again, the height adjustment is now correct. Cap still loose. In capping parameters, increase the capping time from 0.50 to 0.65 seconds. Leave all other settings unchanged. Then reduce the capping torque setting from 1.00 to 0.85 and run another test. Test the settings. Capping works. Narrow the guides. Turn the hand wheel to narrow the capping guide width. Run one more test. The capping result is now correct. Now run the complete line continuously. Check that bottles enter in order. Stop at the filling station, clamp firmly, and align beneath all 6 nozzles. Confirm that filling starts and stops cleanly. The nozzles rise without contact, and the filled bottles transfer smoothly to the capping section. At the capper, watch bottle separation, cap positioning, clamping, tightening, and discharge. During this full line test, also inspect for dripping, unstable bottles, loose caps, jams, or inconsistent fill levels. Fine-tune only the related parameter if any issue appears. The full line test is complete, and all stations are operating correctly. Save these settings for this bottle format. Thank you for watching.